Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So continuing my apartment hunting, today I have another tour to view another apartment, and so I'm about to leave the first apartment that I tour. I like it, but I'm still looking to see if I find something better, so I have options to choose from, guys. So let's go.
At the light, turn left onto Central Park Boulevard, then your destination will be on the right.
Alright guys, so I'm at the place now. I'm going into view the apartments.
This is our whole resident lounge. We have 3 TVs in here, 2 here, 1 behind the wall where the pool room is. And they're actually connected to AT&T, so it's cable, so you can put on whatever you like. We do have a coffee bar, and we have our ice machine over there, and to the left, we have our beer and wine taps. So you do, no, it's all included. And then also our pool room is right there, and this is all open 24/7. And then we also have mini fridges in all of the resident areas. So if you want to bring your drinks down and keep them cold or like snacks, you're more than welcome to do that. And like I said, there's an ice machine there. There's also one at the pool too. Now out here, this is our heated saltwater pool. It is heated. It's heated year round. It's very nice. It's really cool. And our pool hours are amazing. It's 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. So none of this sunrise to sunset.
Oh, nice.
Which is awesome. And then we have 2 gas grills and then 2 fire pits. These are all available, first come, first serve.
Yeah.
And we do resident events. We had a barbecue last week. On Friday, we're doing popsicles by the pool. Next month, we're gonna have a pizza party by the pool. Yeah, we do like wine down Wednesdays. We do bingo every month. It's just fun. We like to have resident events and just get to know everyone. So this is the gym. This is open 24/7. So you guys can use this whenever you like. We have our Echelon lights. We pay for the membership, so you guys can just log in and track your progress. We also have all of our free weights, our weight rack. We have our boxing. And then behind you, that's our package concierge. So let's say Amazon comes, they deliver you a package, they'll put it in there, they'll shoot you an email, you'll come down and it'll open up. So this is the ground floor. This is where your guests would park. And then right when you go up to the gate, that's the 2nd to 7th floor access.
Okay. Let's see. Yeah.
Now over here, this is our 2-bedroom model. And the reason why, as you'll see that I sent you the video of a 2-bedroom model is because this one's a little bit different than the one that's gonna be available.
Okay.
And this is our key access. It's a key fob. You put it in, wait for the light to turn green and unlock it. And when you're on the exterior side, like trying to get into like the garage and things like that, you just hold it flat over this little black box and it'll flash you in, okay? So come on in. Yeah, so each apartment has that. Have your quartz countertops, you'll have your stainless steel appliances, plenty of storage space, and the apartments I quoted you on were on the 5th and 4th floor.
Yeah.
So the 5th floor, the finishes will look like this. The 4th floor, because it's even, will look like the video that I sent to her because the even floors have white cabinets and black hardware.
I was gonna ask that.
Mm-hmm. Yep, so that would be on the 4th floor. And then just like the video that I sent her will look exactly like the apartment that's coming available. Because even the only other difference really is the island is more of a rectangle.
Oh, okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
But the wall colors are all the same. You'll have this accent wall color here, and then all the other colors are this almond.
Oh, they have accent wall.
Yes, they all have that accent wall color.
Oh, that's cool.
And then your fridge is always going to be the side by side with a water and ice spout on the outside.
Right. Yeah.
Do you have any with white cupboards?
Yeah. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Yeah, that's not the normal size of the balcony. And then with the 2-2 that's coming available, your guest bath will be very simple, and then the master will have a walk-in shower.
So
This is the guest room. And the guest room that's coming available is shaped like a square.
yeah.
And the closet, as opposed to being walk-in, it's a long standard closet. And now in the master that's coming available, you'll have your master bedroom area, and then you'll have a door to your bathroom. And then in your bathroom, you'll have a walk-in shower, and then you'll keep going. You'll have another door, and that'll be your walk-in closet.
Oh.
This one just has both.
Really?
Yeah.
So only this one.
This one, yeah, this is our model. We also rent this one out, and you guys could rent it out when you move in.
Cool.
It's very cool. That's why they have this one to rent out. It's great for guests.
It's look here.
It's really cool. There's a shower and a tub.
It's over here. We want to let light go.
Oh,
Yeah.
you have that.
It's different, yeah.
She loved this,
Mm-hmm.
but she wouldn't mind have that. So it's like
Exactly.
enough for
I trust her and get
something.
it. It is.
Closets.
So that's more storage, and that's why you guys have to watch the other video,
Yeah.
because it does have this as well. It's just the layout is completely
Oh,
different.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Same features, different layout.
So this is a master. Small, you think?
Yeah, yeah. You know? Yeah, it's a little bit. This storage here.
Okay. Okay.
All right, you guys want to go upstairs and see our other amenity called the View?
Yeah.
All right. So on the 7th floor, we have what we call the View, and it's just a relaxed lounge area, and it has an outdoor area, and it's open the same time as the pool, so it's 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. Afternoon, guys. So with parking, I always like to point this out. So with parking, you just saw where the elevators were. Well, this is the entry to parking. So this is what I was referring to when I was talking about the black boxes.
Okay.
So this is what I meant. So like this is how you would get in. This is your key
Okay.
flat. Oh wait, hold on. I have 2 keys. They do different things. That's it. So I don't have a flash screen. So this is the View. This is why we call it the View.
Okay.
So relax, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's definitely a great feature. Right there, it's right there.
Right there. I love this view. This view is really
My view is like 3 doors
right in the
over,
middle of
and
the
so
9 to
for 4th of
5.
July, I was able to
Yeah, because I went down there.
That was so cool.
It
It was really cool.
Yeah, it's nice.
And so I'm like, I think I'll be able to see that. Let me go outside. Sure enough.
Yeah, it's nice.
It's so nice up here. It is.
So that is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Leave a like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you all on my next video. Bye.